are just slamming through this sausage. Two big activities collided today. We got to finish up this sausage, and Bree's brother could only come this afternoon to do it. He's helping us do it. And this is the day to bale hay. So the neighbor's been raking the hay into, I guess, their windrows, and he's about to start baling. So I just jumped right into the sausage. The meat was cool enough, it was in the freezer. So we're doing 30 pounds of breakfast sausage right now.
What's been funny about this day is that, like, every hour the neighbor has needed Arthur to come down. So Arthur will jump in the truck, run down there, help the neighbor, run back up here, eat some lunch, do something, run back down there. It's been a really funny, kind of intense day. We're ready for vacation. We don't get vacation yet though. We still have a summer garden to plant. We're almost behind on that. Not quite, but really close to behind.
We're putting these sausage into 1 pound packs. I'm weighing only about every other one because I've got it pretty well down now. So that's 15.5 ounces. These are ready to be vacuum sealed. And Bria's over here vacuum sealing. And these are ready to go into the freezer.
Yeah. Are you want to start plugging away? All right.
Do that.
They're like,
but you know not to put your hand anywhere near there, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we cased this sausage, and now I guess I'm linking it. And this is what I've seen being traditional in Great Britain, this method of linking it, and they'll hang this up in their shop and then cut them off for customers, like however many they wanted or however many pounds. We're getting hay through an extremely generous arrangement with our neighbor, and honestly it's 6:47 in the evening and I didn't realize how many bales there were going to be. I guess I never said. I asked him about how many bales off the field, and I was asking about all the bales, and he was answering about the field.
How many have you gotten so far? Have you been writing it down?
80.
Hey, Mom. Guess what?
Look at all this hay, and honestly, this is not all of it. There's a lot more to go. I'm breathing hard from climbing up the stack, throwing bales up, climbing up, throwing bales up. Probably got about 3 more loads. It's 8 o'clock. But I think I'm gonna sign out here. It is beautiful out here, it's cool, but I am burning hot. Folks, it's been another great day on the homestead. We got a lot done today. We still got a little more sausage to grind. We got 1 more hour to do on that. That's our own sausage. And then all the bacon is salted, all the hams are salted and weighed, so we can predict weight loss, so we know when to lard them in the future. I'll go into quite a bit of detail on that in another video. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again soon. I hope you're having a great day where you are. Goodbye.